How's it going, everyone? Hope you all had an amazing week. I had one of my best days today trading as far as this week goes. You're about to see the recaps, the reasoning behind the trades. But as always, before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Okay, now during my pre-market Instagram live that I do every morning, we get together, we create a watch list, vibe, I said I was looking for a reject on SPY at 421, which it hit pre-market, so I did not take this trade. But I also said I had a bounce area at 415. Powell, he was speaking today, so that's what you see here, a lot of movement. So we pushed down. I put my channel inside Team Bull, typed it out. So I'm watching. I said SPY bounce area is 415. For those of you that watch my YouTube videos on bounces, you know exactly what I'm talking about and what I'm looking for. It pulled down, hit that 415 to the T. It doesn't always bounce that perfectly, but in this case it did. I bought in here. I played this move all the way back up to 417. I was completely out by here, but I did really well off this trade. As you can see here, I did paper hand a bit, but I'm very happy with my profits from this trade. I ended my day right at $3,500 on a Friday, which is a great day. I don't care what day of the week it is. $3,500 in a morning of trading is always a good thing. Now, let's talk about this AMD bounce level. First off, my bounce area was right here. You can see around this 94.5 to 0.8, but it pulled down. I noticed some other members of Team Bull had a bounce level at 96. I said, okay, I'm going to take a look. I did notice some confluence in that area, which did set it up for a bounce. So I said, okay, I'm going to take an early entry. I did take that early entry at 96 off the opening 5-minute candle. Had a nice push up. I sold my entire position at one time. I did not trim really. I sold off for like a little over $20 per contract, which is a very nice scalp. I can't complain about that. They didn't really move too much, so I did the right thing in that case. As you can see, we bounced it several times, and I want to talk about that for just a minute here. I won't keep you long. I know it's Friday. People got stuff to do, but the way I like to trade these bounces, if we've hit this area or near this area, any pre-market, I will not take it. Or if we've already bounced and taken this trade here, chances are I'm not going to take this again, this second bounce. Yes, it did bounce here, but a lot of times it don't. What happens, you come down, you fill the orders that were down there, and the next time you come through, there's not going to be no buyers in the area, and you'll get stopped out. Just something to keep in mind. The more you become familiar with bounces, the easier this will be to, you'll be something that you can judge for yourself. Another trade I took today, one I'm still in currently, I have not trimmed any of my position, is this Tesla bounce. See, pre-market, I found this 290.62 area, this area of confluence, support. Simply watching for a nice bounce. I put this inside my channel, to alert the members in there to watch this area. Contracts are up right now. I could close it out for a win, but I took my entry right at this 290.7. We was approaching the oversold level. We had a nice pullback to this bounce area, which is another thing I like to see. And I plan on taking my first trim right here at this 291.9 area, 292. If we break that, I think we could see that 293.7. When I take these bounces, I like to trim near my indicators. My closest indicator on a bounce, sometimes it can be VWAP or sometimes it can be the 9 EMA. It's the 9 EMA in this example. So my first trim is going to be at it. Leave my runners at, I'll set them up to sell for break even, whatever I paid to purchase them. That's where my stop loss will be on my remaining position. That way, if it falls down, I'm not giving back any profits. And if it continues on, great. I'm going to lock in more profits, probably up here around this area here. You can see this area of confluence and that 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart is sitting there as well. That would be a really nice trade at that point. But that's all I have for you. Hope you all enjoy your weekend. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to me. And I appreciate all of you. Appreciate you for watching my videos. And yeah, see you all next time.